Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add video to a Squarespace website. Now open the Squarespace website. Now here you can see your website in the making. Now just double click on the template and you will get the option of adding media. Now tap on the videos option. Now just select the template that you want to add a video on. Now let the template load. And there you go. You have finally added a video. And that's how you do it. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe.